Hello everyone, here it is 2.5 meter diameter tight interval expansion joint for Dangote refinery project in Nigeria. Hydroflex is the only company in Southeast Asia to make this kind of critical expansion joint. This expansion joint will be going to be installed in fluid catalyst cracking unit in a refinery company. A fluid catalyst cracking unit is a very critical unit which operates on high temperature, high pressure with erosive media. So because of this kind of critical parameter, large amount of moment, thermal moment exerts, and this expansion joint is needed to absorb that moment. Some kind of critical features like the bellow element, it is made of 2 ply and each ply is capable of withstanding full design temperature and pressure. Also it is provided with thermocouple and pressure gauge to continuous monitoring the ply and the temperature of the element. The ply is normally designed with thin ply for its maximum flexibility, but at the same time it must be avoided to the contact with the abrasive catalyst and other corrosive flue gases to avoid premature failure of this expansion joint. If an expansion joint failure during the operation, it is very hazardous to personnel and very expensive to the refiner. And it is the care must be taken to when design and manufacture this kind of expansion joint. With great engineering capability, production facility and quality staff, we have made this niche product. PTHI feel proud to announce completion of this expansion joint. Hydroflex is the future of expansion joint.